Hi friends, I am your Dayanand Bongale. Friends, Warren Buffett always says, never put all the eggs in the same basket. Also, Warren Buffett tells two rules of investment. That is, rule number 1, never lose your capital. Rule number 2, always follow the rule number 1. Friends, we can conclude that we should never invest all our money into one particular stock, however fundamentally good it is. So, it is better to invest in all the companies of the same sector, right? Friends, we must be wondering how to do this, how to invest in all the companies of the same sector. Yes, my dear friends, in the early 2000s, there was an introduction of a beautiful mechanism called bees. So, what is this bees is all about? Friends, I would like to explain what is this BEES. BEES means Benchmark Exchange Traded Schemes. This is a mechanism introduced in the early 2000 which is a combination of mutual funds and the shares, that is equity. Friends, when we invest in the equity, we call it as shares and it is held in our demat account, right? And when we invest in the mutual funds, it is called as units and it is held in the mutual fund company's account. So, this BEES means unlike the mutual funds, we will be investing into the multiple companies and those are held in our demat account. It is the best mechanism for averaging our investments. On every dips, that means a decent dip, it is better to average out our BEES. My dear friends, there are different types of BEES, be it Nifty BEES, Bank BEES, IT BEES, Pharma BEES, Gold BEES also, and also Silver BEES, etc. So, it is more transparent in nature because the expense ratio is also very less, the liquidity is very high. So, this BEES can be used as a hedging mechanism as well, my dear friends. My dear friends, these BEES can be invested with as low as 15 rupees. Means we can get even Pharma BEES for rupees 15 as well. For even for around 32 rupees, we can get the IT BEES as well. Now also if you think, only we can have options or futures as a mechanism to trade in the Nifty, but through the Nifty BEES, we can invest into the Nifty just like equities. So the question is, how to identify what would be the price of Nifty BEES? Generally, it is 1/100th of the Nifty current price. Say for example, if the Nifty is trading at 19,300, roughly it could be around 190 or 195, 200, right? Yes, it is around 210 rupees, slightly more than 1/100. Just for our calculation, we can say that Nifty BEES is 1/100th of the Nifty. So my dear friend, this calculation would have given you some kind of a clue what the Nifty BEES pricing would be. Friends, I would like to give you a small hint about how we can hedge through the Nifty. Friends, if you have capital, it is better to buy the Nifty BEES equivalent to one lot of Nifty and we can also give a call sell, right? My dear friends, on the closing basis, Nifty and the Nifty BEES or be it any other indices for that matter, be it Bank Nifty or the Bank BEES, they close on the same levels. That is, on the closing basis, they are exactly the same. Friends, we invest in the BEES with the assumption that even a fundamentally good stocks on the misfortune can become zero, but the sector cannot be zero. So, a very conservative approach can be investing into the BEES. So, this was all about the BEES concept, my dear friends. I hope you like this video. Kindly share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.